Check out these Milwaukee M18 Fuel QUIK-LOK outdoor power heads. Included in this kit is the hedge trimmer and pulse saw attachment with a bonus extension too, as well as two M18 8Ah red lithium forged batteries and a charger. This redesigned power head is more compact but still provides maximum power to complete demanding jobs. Milwaukee's split boom system allows for users to quickly swap out any of the current attachment offerings to use on a single power head, offering ultimate versatility and a lower cost of ownership. With 3 speed settings, you can single-handedly change the speed on the go, and a variable speed trigger delivers precise control over your work. With a balanced design and no need for pull starts, petrol headaches or maintenance, these power heads are the real deal. Let's dive into the included attachments. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel QUIK-LOK outdoor power head 250mm pulse saw attachment is engineered to deliver performance with the ability to hit full throttle in under a second. This pulse saw has a 255mm bar and chain with an automatic oiler, perfect for landscapers, gardeners or groundskeepers. Cut down branches with ease with this pulse saw attachment with an overall length of 1240mm and a no-load speed of up to 4600 RPM. Then we have the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Powerhead hedge trimmer attachment. Boasting a 508mm blade with a 25mm cut capacity, you'll easily clear more material in just one single pass. The articulating mechanism allows for 13 operating positions with a 270-degree rotation and a tip guard for damage prevention. Featuring full system compatibility, you won't have any trouble trimming any hedges you face on the job or at home. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel extension pole has been designed to perfectly attach the power head with either the hedge trimmer or pulse saw attachment, giving you an extra 1020mm of extra reach for those hard to reach jobs. Not included in this kit but definitely worth mentioning is the Milwaukee M18 Fuel line trimmer attachment. Designed for the power head, you get uncompromised performance, durability and ergonomics. The cutting width is adjustable from 355mm up to 406mm, with the 355mm width delivering maximum runtime, while the 406mm width maximizes the clearing power and capacity. The trimmer head can be easily loaded in under 30 seconds and uses a convenient bump feed system too. These Milwaukee M18 Fuel QUIK-LOK outdoor power heads are a compact and durable outdoor power equipment powerhouse. And with 13 Milwaukee attachments to choose from, you'll save time and money with this no fumes, no fuss outdoor power equipment solution. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments, or you can grab your own at your nearest trade tools store or online at tradetools.com.